Hello. In this scenario, we'll show how we can use the template designer in CAM to iteratively make updates to an existing template. To start with, we have an existing template in CAM. This template is backed by a Git repository and is also referring to a specific branch on our Git repository. We also have a running instance of this template in CAM. Using the template designer, we can make updates to the template. In this case, we'll update the infrastructure of our AWS template. Currently, we have a couple virtual machines attached to an existing network. We'll add some storage volumes to each of the virtual machines. We'll give each volume a unique name. So we've added new resources to our document for the volumes and the attachments. We've also added a couple variables for the volume sizes, and our CAM variables have also been updated. We'll put in some default values for each of our new volumes. Now we can push our changes into our Git repository. We'll put in a commit message, select the files that we want to include in this commit, which in this case is all of them, and commit our changes. We'll also sync the changes to the current branch which we're working on, which is the dev branch that our template was originally published against. Back in CAM, all we need to do is go to the running deployment instance and select modify. The changes that we've pushed into Git are automatically picked up. We can verify this from the parameters, which we see the new volume parameters are added. Using the plan feature in CAM, we can verify our changes in Terraform. And once successful, we'll just apply these changes to our running instance. We can watch the log, and after a few moments, we'll see that we have successfully created the new resources in AWS through Terraform. Next, let's show how we can push a new version of this template into CAM. In this case, we'll just use the master branch. We'll switch back to the master branch, and in our scenario here, we've already merged the changes from our dev branch into master. Since this template exists in CAM, when we choose to publish it, it'll ask us if we want to create a new version. We can specify a name of the version and specify the branch that we want to use. In this case, we use the master branch. So now we've published a new version of our template into CAM. Selecting the template, we can see a new version exists. We can edit the template to see more information about the version that we just created. This concludes this scenario.